I feel a chill in the air, as cold as that look on your face. I hear what you're saying, but coming from you, goodbye seems so out of place. And how can you stand there and honestly say there never were any real promises made? The moon is my witness, the stars will agree. They all heard you promise you'd always love me. I know that it's true, but it's hard to believe. You lied to the moon, the stars, and me. What about all those warm, tender nights? Did they mean nothing to you? And where are the feelings I thought that we shared? Or have you forgotten them too? Did you think I could just put your memory behind when your words are still so very